Today I go to paint the wheelhouse of the boat, in the middle of the boat. First go to vacuum clean. Last time I did sand the bottom already. Now I go to sand the wall a little bit with a small machine. I sand it already, but I need to sand it a little bit to smooth it again. Last time I put in fiberglass filler on the floor, on the bottom. That's the green stuff. And here I put in kit, waterproof kit. I will clean it before the painting with cleaning petrol. I'm going to use this primer, zinc phosphate. Very good against rust. It's not thin, it's thick. So I can use only use one layer to put on, and then it's finished. Again, I use this roller. I use this roller because you can use with this paint. If you use synthetic roller, I will use this roller. It's made of hair, not synthetic. Synthetic, they go broken in the paint. The paint will eat the roller. After I use, I put it back in the can so I can use it the next time also. And this for painting. It's getting nice already. is ready now. Later I will put in a floor made from wood, and here at the steering wheel I put wood also, so only need to paint that one a little and then it's finished.